James and Sons of Linden supermarket here. So this is a guy I've been known for all my life. Always a businessman. Now we have a nice big supermarket over here. So we're gonna get
customers getting their Christmas stuff from James and Sons.
So we're gonna go in and see some of the goodies. Here we have James Fraser, owner of this establishment. So you're gonna give us the grand tour, sir?
Yes, sir.
So how long now you have this particular outlet, this supermarket?
This year, at the end of this year, it'll be 6 years.
6 years.
6 years.
Alright, so
You would like me to give you a tour of the outlet? Okay. We have 6 aisles. 6 aisles. Yes. This is the frozen area. Where you get all your frozen. You got all the beef, chicken, pork, fish, ice cream. You name it. It's comprising this school. This building is a building that I was schooled and many other people were schooled, Mackenzie Primary School, but it's now James and Sons, along with other business places in the complex. So I'll take you now to the last aisle and then we go to the fourth because the last is occupied.
yeah.
And this is our fourth aisle. This is our
And the laundry product.
this is disinfectant.
Insect repellents.
Yes, toiletry, sanitizer, more that is, and your tissue, your counters, whatever you need, it's here in this.
There's a one-stop shop.
One-stop shop. And then I can show you from here down will be your package
Okay.
and the other aisle will be your breakfast product and all the milk product, all the spread, all the porridge product.
All the porridge, plantain, flour and everything.
And-
Quick oats.
And some of them were locally made by Lindeners,
By Lindeners.
and Guyanese.
Alright.
Yes. And then this would be your pasta product area.
Okay.
And this here will be your spices, your spice that is, and some of the confectionery products.
Alright.
This would be the grain. At this end would be the grain, and the other end would be confectionery.
Alright.
Behind me would be where we pack items, local and then when you finish, we only take a small portion of your money at the cashier.
And cashier there. For a bargain deal, right, Jen?
For a bargain deal. And you can put up your last set of confectionery.
Yes.
Chocolates and
I must tell you that this was deliberately made by Lindeners in Linden.
Oh, nice. We got
Plantain chip, more than one flavor. And
this
it is also
good.
can be found in supermarkets in America and the Caribbean.
Wonderful.
Nice. See this? Good product.
Walmart has it.
Walmart.
Yes.
Jimmy, what flavor is this drink? This is new to me.
This is
A melon crush, it says?
Melon Crush. This is a new Bangladesh product.
Wow.
So this is a quick conducted tour of James and Sons.
So the store that you had over in Wisma, does not function in right now. You
So
closed
we
that
put
store.
all in one.
Okay.
So that you can get everything here. We do delivery. We deliver your product.
Wow.
Whenever you purchase, you must sign up and get that done. And whatever you request, we have it done for you. By the way, senior citizens only. Free transportation.
For senior citizens, wonderful.
Senior citizens.
So that includes me, right?
But as long as you are, yes, you can air dash it to Miami or whichever part of the world you
Okay.
are.
We see we got everybody coming down and get their Christmas
The Christmas
stuff.
shopping, the 2 days before Christmas.
I
so
guess-
people are shopping now before
Yes,
Christmas.
because tomorrow and Saturday gonna be really
This
busy.
morning we had a lot of people here coming to shop. and get up the stuff before, and they like the price and the availability, the variety they're meeting, and they seem very happy. But you know, there would be some complaints, but then this is Christmas. It's time for joy and happiness. We leave all the problems behind and we come out and enjoy ourselves.
Do you sell wholesale also?
Yes, some of the products we sell wholesale, like pilot tissue, milk, not much product, but we intend to do so in the new year, almost everything.
Okay.
But that is on hold until such time it's finalized, we get into that. But we'll let that publish and we'll make sure that we get on the air.
So Jim, I notice now there's a lot of more supermarkets open around the area.
The good thing about us, we have great-grandfather, grandfather, grandmother, grandchildren, great-grandchildren shopping here till now.
People keep
And we
it.
have Pliminas, grandchildren here from the Maurice family visiting us. They were our long-time customers and our customers will be in here. So we are some. And then they're getting a lot more grandchildren reaching working age. They're shopping at James and Sons.
Right.
So no matter how many supermarkets open, James and Sons have its customer.
And
Yes, we like that.
Dedicated.
Dedicated.
Yes. Yes. And that relationship continues, and we hope to have it continue until my grandchildren take over.
Yes, yes.
And beyond that, yes. So
We got a happy
the
customer
competition
going around
is
here.
stiff. The competition is stiff.
You know, that is
But
hard.
we are using our picks to make sure that we keep our sales going the way it is.
Yeah, and I noticed that you have some staff that looks extremely dedicated.
Yes. Oh, some of the customers, children and grandchildren, are working here presently.
Okay.
And we employ anybody that suit the requirements, but we also have customers, kids and grandchildren working here at the moment.
Nice.
Since the business before now, the wrong shop. Jim Works.
Yes.
Yes. So for those of you who don't know what James and Sons is, who manage James and Sons, remember Jim Works, you will know there's the same management of James and Sons.
That's a place we used to go and play our pools and so.
Exactly. Exactly.
James and Brian here
Yes,
discussing and getting good footage in here of this
Actually-
establishment.
yes, Jimmy started his business close to us in Silvertown. That's where he lives still. That's where it all started.
Yes. So
And then so happened that he used to love Jackie's cooking.
oh, yes.
He used to
Oh,
always
boy. But I miss the baked fish and the macaroni and cheese and all those sorts of stuff. Whenever Christmas time and you folks get online and showing off your cooking, your Guyanese food, I get hungry. But there's no flight that I can fly over and get, so I miss out.
I got to see how I can air dash it to you now.
Yes, but I'd be happy. But I can't forget it. I always remember the taste, and it never gets out of the mouth. It's always there when Christmas time comes around, and my birthday.
Yes.
Don't forget that, right?
Yes.
So I'm very happy to be a part of your program and to say I was there from day one, from the wedding day and before the wedding day.
Yes,
And
yes.
we're still there.
Actually, was our big transfer guy at
Yes.
the wedding.
A tour to Linden. Just have your first tour to Wismar. And I'm still happy to be a part of the program.
All right.
So James, I really thank you for this little tour, and I must tell you how happy I am. I'm proud that you still got this going.
Thank you very much.
Nice.
Appreciate it, right? And we look forward to your visits every year.
Yes, sir.
Even if I have to pay half of the fare, you can wrap that one out.
All right, James.
Okay,
Take care.
thank you again.
Yeah, man.
All right.
Jackie, thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. We got quite a few customers in here doing their thing. So we like this. The hustle and the bustle going on. We got dedicated workers restocking as the stuff come off the shelves. We restock, so we got stuff for everyone, right? We ain't running out.
No.
Right. So I like this. James and Sons is doing an awesome job. We got a young lady here I know quite well picking up her Christmas stuff, right? I gotta come down by you.
Yes, sure. You were invited.
All right. So she's getting her
Easy
stuff.
greetings to everybody.
Yes. So that's so awesome. Yes. So Jimmy got everything going on in here, guys. Come down and support James and Sons. This has been a name in this community for years and years now. So we love to have the customers come and support him. Oh, let me see. So we got some local products going on here.
Made in Linden.
In Linden.
Achar.
Okay, nice.
This is the Thomas product.
Mr. Thomas product, Cleveland
Thomas,
Thomas.
Yes.
one of our schoolmates from way back, good friend.
So this is awesome.
We have coconut oil, virgin coconut oil.
Oh, nice.
We have here
As rip.
casrip. This is the cassava casrip. Sorry, coconut casrip.
Okay, I
And we
heard
have-
about it.
Right, and plus we have other seasoning from other local people.
Oh, nice.
All these are local
Mhm.
products. Yes.
So
All
guys,
these
you
local achar too.
see, you can
Yes.
get local, support local,
Yes.
buy
And
local.
Linden, not only local, but Linden.
Yeah, Linden Zone. So
Yes.
to support these
Yes.
guys.
Oh, you're welcome. And then this is local fruits.
Oh,
All these
wow.
are fruit suckers produced in Linden.
Nice, nice. I'm getting some of these the brands out so you guys can see. Come down and support James and Sons and get all your local stuff.
This is awesome that we have all these local stuff.
Yes, a lot of local
Some chefs now.
Yes. And it's so good.
This is the five finger fruits, you know.
Yeah, carambola. This is
Yes.
five finger. Or the star fruit as you call it in America.
This is done in Linden by the Caesars.
Oh, yes.
And we don't have hands to sell it. We run
Wow.
out very often.
Okay.
There's all the little babies and kiddies of toddlers.
Yes.
Nice, nice.
So we're doing a lot of local
A
stuff.
lot of local.
Yeah, there's some more local at the front. You know, with the channel.
Yes, we have channel.
Mm-hmm.
Essence.
And then let's go.
Yeah.
Show me some more local stuff, the little channel and nuts and
Okay, nice local snacks. You got the channel and the raisin nuts.
our channel.
This is the heart channel. Mm-hmm. Okay. Nice, nice.
Over this side we have tamarind syrup,
Oh, wow. This is awesome.
and here we have macaroons.
Oh, nice locally made macaroons,
Yeah.
guys. So you can come down and support, get all your local snacks, your local goodies.
Look at the tamarind balls.
Oh my gosh, look at this. Awesome.
Yes.
Real nice. Yeah.
And we don't have a hot cake.
Okay, so that's good to see. Good support you're getting with this. I like that they're supporting the fellow Lindeners.
So Jimmy, when there is something local produce, you try to put it on your plate.
We're building a special area for local products.
Oh, that's
Products from
awesome.
Linden and in Guyana.
Nice.
But most Linden.
So let me ask you this: if I come back and I want to open back my jewelry establishment, you have a little corner for put
Well,
my
we
stuff
not
in?
permitted to sell gold except we open.
That's awesome, though. Awesome.
Yes.
Yes, we got every little thing at James and Sons. Everything you want, it's right here.
Let me show you this
We
second.
actually shelf looking half empty because it's clear up
That's-
at the night we have to repack.
That's what I said. I said
see
it's
this guy's
nice to see
repacking
you
right now.
guys repacking all the time. So I love that.
Look at this.
And if you see, oh
in,
my
in
gosh.
Guyana, there is a Banks.
Yes.
They have
And GT.
the GT beers also
Yes.
produced by
Mhm.
Banks.
Yes. In Guyana.
Wow. We
And
got
the
the shandy.
And we do our Guinness too. We
Okay.
do Guinness in Guyana.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Nice.
Yes.
And the Malta.
And
We got all the good drinks, the beverages for the Christmas season, guys. Come on and down to James and Sons and get a look. We got all this going on here.
Look at the cherry brandy wine.
Wow, I haven't seen cherry brandy in
We
ages.
still have it.
Banks DIH product. And this is a bank. This is the bank code that this is stand the test of time. This is also a new wine that I don't know about from Banks DIH. Ginger wine. So they have new products that is hitting the shelves. Banks DIH, the pace setters. And of course, the soft drink, the IC from Banks DIH. That's DIH.
We love this.
Yeah, all is here.
It's hard, right?
Yes.
Look a product that I don't know about, and Jimmy's telling me it is from Banks DIH, hard wine.
Yes.
Wow. That's awesome.
Yes.
But one more thing too. This whole area here is local spice.
The local
These are
spices.
local, made in Linden.
Yes, we got our Caesars.
Linden. Yes, Caesar spices.
We got jeera. We got turmeric.
Yes.
We got the ground masala.
Yes.
So guys, you know when I hit in that duck curry, I gotta get some of this, right?
Say it again. Say it again. Yes. Use it from Essequibo.
That's the quibble. Oh my gosh. Halwa masala.
Yes. And it's more like hot cake.
Fish season, and they're making look their own jerk seasoning.
And we also have this another Linden product.
Oh nice,
Yes.
Mara.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
This is awesome to see.
Yes.
You have all the varieties from our fellow Lindeners.